Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am Mehwish. My YouTube channel name is Tech by Mehwish. I have some issue of my approval request on YouTube. What's problem I face on this field? So let's get started video. And you can see I am working on YouTube channel at least 1 year. I have uploaded more videos on my YouTube channel, but unluckily I face rejection cause of reuse content. My channel ineligible and rejected for monetization. I want to show you that these are my own videos and my own voiceover. I wanna show you that some of my video content in YT Studio. Here you can see all video my own creation. I have uploaded all video on my YouTube channel. And these are originally created by myself with my voiceover and am not use content of another person. I use this video and audio editor for my videos.